Windows 10 cannot connect to this network is one of the issues you could face while trying to connect your Windows machine to a network. As you can see, except for telling you you cannot connect to the network, the error does not say much about why the issue has occurred and what you can do about it. If you have found yourself in this situation for the first time, you are probably clueless and have no idea what to do. Hello everybody, this is Technicya, and in this video I am going to explore a few ways to get around the issue and successfully connect to your chosen network on your PC. Method 1 is click on Start, type CMD and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now here type the command netsh int ip reset c:\backslash reset log.txt and hit enter. Now again type the command netsh space win sock space reset and hit enter. netsh win sock reset ipconfig slash flash dns and hit enter. Now type exit and restart the PC. The second method is right click on this PC and click on properties. From the left panel click on device manager. Now expand the network adapters. Here right click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter to uninstall. Click on uninstall device. Click uninstall. This will uninstall. Now again reboot your PC. This will automatically reinstall the driver of the network adapter. Hopefully this will remove the issue. The third method is right click on start button, click on settings. Now here click on network and internet. Now scroll down and click on network reset. Click on reset now. Hit on yes. This will restart the PC. I am sure that it will fix the wireless adapter problems. If you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Technicya. I will catch you in my next video. Bye bye.